A blinking red and green light on your Spectrum modem indicates a connectivity problem, meaning it's struggling to establish a stable internet connection. This usually signifies that the modem is trying to connect to Spectrum's network, but isn't succeeding. The red light indicates an error or lack of connection, while the green suggests partial functionality or an attempt to connect. Common causes include loose or damaged cables, signal interference, temporary network congestion, or even a firmware update issue. In some cases, it might point to a larger Spectrum service outage in your area. If the online light blinks red and green for more than 5 minutes, it could indicate a service outage or hardware fault. First, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, both at the modem and the wall. Next, power cycle your modem by unplugging it from the power outlet for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This allows the modem to reset and reestablish a connection. If the blinking continues, check Spectrum's website or app for reported outages in your area. For persistent issues, especially after a recent firmware update, contact Spectrum support. They may recommend specific troubleshooting steps or confirm a known issue. Spectrum also offers an app-based diagnostic tool to interpret the light signals in real time. If the problem started after a power surge, ensure your modem is protected by a surge protector to prevent future damage.